The Hawaii Air National Guard's 199th and the Active Duty's 19th Fighter Squadrons recently held their first dedicated crew chief ceremony. It is normal for the pilots to have their name emblazoned on the side of their jets, but during this ceremony, each pilot presented their aircraft's dedicated crew chief with a ceremonial chalk and an F-22 patch.
I mean, there's so many emotions that goes with it that many people can't experience besides us. I think we're lucky, honestly, to be a part of this organization and be a part of this 5th gen jet.
In the world of the F-22 Raptor, every jet usually has one person, a dedicated crew chief, the guardian of the aircraft.
It is just a ton of air moving.
I really like that rush.
Those engines are super powerful. You can feel it. My name is Senior Airman Jacob Coe.
I'm Airman First Class Chancellor Sutton.
I'm the crew chief.
Tactical aircraft mechanic.
You're the first person the pilot sees before they leave, and then you're the first person they see when they get back.
I'm a mechanic, but for airplanes.
Good morning, everyone. It's a wonderful drill weekend. The plan is as normal. Sergeant Lugo is your expediter this morning. He'll be giving out assignments after roll call.
When I come in on day shift, we have our roll call. We're going to figure out what jobs we're on for the day.
Coe, you are on 189.
I'll get changed out of my uniform and get into my coveralls. Check out your tools. It's very important to make sure that your tools are good, make sure you have what you need for the day. And then you push out to the line, and that's when you start looking over your jet.
On drill weekend, it's pretty simple. Saturday, we launch, recover, and fix whatever broken jets that we have. Sunday is more for us. It's training day. Get you in there for a new class, like a hydro class, engine class, you know, so you can become a better crew chief. And then we also schedule like medical appointments. I have always been looking up in the sky since a kid. I chose the Guard because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go full active duty or if I wanted to fly like commercially. So I was like, you know what, if I like it, I can do full time, or if I hate it, I can do a week and a month, and it's whatever. And I end up loving it.
It is definitely one of the most rewarding jobs you can have within the Air Force.
There's always going to be a problem to fix, and sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're hard, but with each easy or hard decision or problem comes with the greater satisfaction of fixing it.
You go home every day knowing that you did something important. Just knowing that you're that last person that pilot sees before they go off and do a mission, or even if it's just training sorties, basically knowing that they're trusting you, that you've done everything right up to that point. I joined the Guard partially just as a reason to help pay for college, but also I was kind of at like a crossroads trying to figure out what I wanted to do with my career, so it was kind of a good stepping stone to do something part-time, and now I'm actually full-time with the Virginia Air National Guard. It allowed me to test out a career part-time and then go into it all the way, which is a really cool opportunity. It's definitely the people that I love most about this job. You'll get to know people a lot more when you're out there working hard with them than, you know, just if you're sitting in an office or a cubicle, you don't really actually communicate that much with somebody, but you're out there jobbing it together. Yeah, it's definitely the people that I love most about this job.